Alright guys, I'm going to give y'all an update. I know I got my past videos, I've had this thing to the dyno, and was having issues with it missing. Well, I got it tore apart, and I think I might have figured out what part of the problem was. As you can tell, I got it pretty much tore down. If you look right here on the camshaft, you can see that gear right there, how it's wore. Some of them are like paper thin, but and you know, here's what a cam gear should look like. So, you know, brand new obviously, but thinking that who had this motor before me, because I bought the motor as a unit, but I used my distributor that I had in my old motor, which is, you know, it's MSD, and it's got the steel gear in it, and you can tell very little wear on that, so that, you know, it looks pretty much normal. But the only thing I can figure is the guy that had the motor before me had the wrong distributor in it with wrong gear on it, and it must have wore that distributor gear out. So it's the only thing I can figure. Like I said, there's no other wear and tear or anything else I see wrong, but this is my current situation. I'm hoping to get this thing put back together. This thing right here is going in here just in a few minutes. I'm hoping to get it put back together and running by the end of the weekend. So anyway, started giving you an update on my current situation, more issues with it. But if you guys want to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. But anyway, talk to you guys next time.